What if I told you, you don't need to spend $1,000 to get an insane hybrid bike? Man biking dashing away in this video, I reveal the top 5 best hybrid bikes under $500 in 2025, including a hidden gem that outperforms bikes twice its price. Trophies stick around because number 3 will shock you, and yes, you can buy them right now. All links are in the description. Let's ride. Number 1. Sixthreezero Women's EVRY Journey Hybrid Cruiser Bike. With a combination of style and modern comfort, Sixthreezero's affordable price hybrid bikes will serve you on any adventure. For efficient pedaling, this model features a foot-forward design and a low center of gravity. The aluminum construction allows riders of any height to stop, putting their feet flat on the ground. A cushioned and stable ride that rolls easily is possible with the help of the wide white wall semi-slick tires. Complete with a rear rack that can be used for optional panniers, baskets, and accessories, full fenders are also attached to protect you from rain and debris. The dual spring seat and leather-stitched grips optimize comfort, and with this eye-catching style, you can have a comfortable ride on any terrain you like, including flat terrain. This in-depth video will help you learn more about this popular choice. Step through aluminum city frame 7-speed hybrid touring, urban commuting, and cruiser bike with matching full fenders, and 26-inch wheels. Shimano 7-speed external derailleur with front and rear handbrakes alloys for wide range of riding from leisure to long-distance commutes. Brown synthetic leather comfy saddle and grips with classic stitching. 2-inch semi-slick tires provide excellent roll, and a cushioned, stable ride. Low swooping frame makes for easy step-through entry on and off the bike, puts rider in an upright, heads-up position. Number 2. Schwinn Discover Hybrid Bike. Schwinn's got the best hybrid bike for beginners that gives you a smooth ride with a suspension fork. The super durable steel alloy frame has a fit geometry and keeps you going on neighborhood as well as long trips with ease. With the adjustable seat post, you can maintain the right posture without slouching or leaning over. For precise gear changes, the bike offers 21 speed shifters along with a rear derailleur. This reliable bike has linear pull brakes that give you exceptional stopping power, while the ergonomic hand grips keep you held in place. Convenient cargo space can also be availed with the rear carrier and fenders to keep grit and splashes away from you. Check out the online reviews of this product to learn more. Front suspension fork, alloy crank, and a city rise adjustable stem, while the 17-inch frame fit to riders 5 feet 5 inches to 5 feet 9 inches tall. 21-speed SRAM grip shifter and rear derailleur, uphill pedaling becomes more effortless, while the alloy twist shifter is compatible with 4-finger brake levers. Promax alloy linear pull brakes provide reliable stopping power, while the alloy head stem allows for easy adjustment of the angle, rise. Comfortable ride, swept back upright handlebars, padded seat, and lightweight yet durable aluminum frame. Number 3. Schwinn Wayfarer Adult Bike Hybrid Retro-Styled Cruiser. With a large cushion and comfortable saddle, Schwinn's best budget hybrid bike keeps you seated in utmost comfort. The steel retro city frame coupled with the fork are definitely eye candy and deliver with appearance. 7-speed twist shifters and the rear derailleur allow you to quickly change the gear with absolutely no hassle whatsoever. You can make precise stops with the responsive braking, and use the carrier on the back to carry whatever you need. Even if you happen to be pedaling in the rain, the fenders come into play to keep you mess-free. This video of the reviewer's experience and user insights will help you make an informed decision about your purchase. Number 4. Royce Union RMY Women's 21-Speed Hybrid Comfort Bike. One of the best cheap hybrid bikes you can snag for daily exercise has to be the RMY from Royce Union. Resistant to rusting, the ultralight aluminum frame allows easy handling and doesn't disappoint with its sparkling pearl blue visuals. The padded, firm saddle is designed with dual springs to give you maximum comfort, while the soft croton grips guarantee security. No matter how long you ride, the pedals maintain a responsive feel with the help of the front suspension fork. As the handlebar is slight rise, it gives you the right posture, and the Shimano drivetrain keeps the transitions between gears completely seamless. The thumb grip switch makes it easy to shift between different range of gears. Number 5. Kent International Springdale Hybrid Bicycle. These best value hybrid bikes by Kent International feature protective front and rear fenders to keep stains, splashes, and dust away from you. 21 speed gears allow smooth and seamless transitions even when you're faced with uneven terrain. With the linear pull brakes and the quick-release seat clamp, you can stop whenever you need a rest. The light aluminum frame, suspension fork, and the Shimano Tourney rear derailleur all help to keep you going. Boom! Rocket. Now you know the best hybrid bikes under $500***. Which one are you grabbing? Drop a comment below. Down arrow. If this video saved you time and money, smash that like button, red heart, share it with a friend who needs a new bike, and subscribe for more killer deals. Bicycle all purchase links? Check the description. Backhand index pointing down. Catch you in the next one.